BMW S1000R best naked bikes. Naked bikes, fast, nimble, relatively comfortable to ride and, let's be honest, pretty hot to look at. It is no wonder that this segment of the motorcycle market rapidly gained popularity from the turn of the century. All major motorcycle manufacturers carry naked bikes in their range. So let's see which ones stand out from the crowd and should be considered the best naked bikes. What is a naked bike? Technically, any motorcycle without fairings can be called a naked bike. In reality, what we're talking about when we say naked bike is a lightly modified sport bike with little or no fairings. The term naked bike is derived from the stripping, removing the clothing, of a sports bike. In the late 1980s and early 1990s, racers with battered bikes and empty wallets began to rebuild their battered two-wheelers. Broken plastic fairings were removed and loose handlebars were installed, promoting a more upright riding position. The addition of lights allowed these bikes to legally hit the road where the battle scars were a badge of honor. These early so-called street warriors became so popular that the trend moved from DIY garages to production floors. Ducati was the first factory to produce naked motorcycles. Their 1993 release of the Ducati Monster ushered in a new era of design. Until then, the frame and engine components of motorcycles were embedded behind plastic. But with the unveiling of the iconic Monster cage frame, the beauty of practicality became the secret weapon of naked bikes. While initially it was only the looks of the bikes that were changed, factory production of the naked bikes brought with them slight changes in performance as well. In general, naked bike engines will be disassembled compared to their sports bike cousins. With more torque lower down, it comes at the expense of some miles at the bottom end of the speed range. These changes ensure that a stripped-down motorcycle is more suitable for street and urban riding than traditional superbikes. BMW S1000R. The BMW S1000R prides itself on its dynamic street looks and superbike DNA. The S1000R finds the perfect combination between power and control, resulting in a thrilling ride. The S1000R naked bike is available in a standard version and with the M package. M minimizes the weight and includes super-light carbon wheels to press the rubber down. Ready to rumble with a full tank of gas, it weighs a mere 427 pounds. Key specs: engine, 999, 4-cylinder 4-stroke inline. Transmission, 6-speed. Power, 165 HP. Torque, 114 Nm at 9,250 RPM. Web weight, 427 pounds. Seat height, 31.7 in. What is naked bike the best for? To answer this question, we need to go back and consider what a naked bike is. With their origins firmly rooted in the superbike and sports bike segments of the motorcycle market, bare bikes were first designed for performance. They are powerful, fast and incredibly fun to drive. Their perfect power-to-weight ratio ensures easy handling, even for novice riders. That's if you do not immediately jump on one of the 1000-plus cc machines, though, who are we to judge? Barefoot bikes are perfect for daily use in the city and urban commute, as well as weekends in the hills or canyon carving sessions with friends. The more upright seating position of these bikes is comfortable across disciplines. The best bare bikes are relatively light, making it easy to maneuver through traffic or into and out of parking lots. Then, when the weekend rolls around, just turn the throttle on for some serious fun. Barefoot bikes are fast on the flats and balanced in corners, making them perfect motorcycles for short rides and scenic rides in the mountains.